Which of the following correctly expresses the function rule for divide by 4 and then add 8? We have 4 answer choices. One of them is the correct answer. Can you tell me which one? Let's get it. So we want to find out the function rule. Now, normally in your class, 99% of the time, you will use the function notation of lowercase f of x. So it's like these little parentheses, right? Where the letter outside is the function. And looking at our answer choices, there are other tons of function letters that you can use. Majority is going to be lowercase f. Lowercase f for function, by the way, that's where that comes from. But it could be H, V, G, or P, or any other letter. And just know that the letter inside the parentheses, literally it's trapped, that's the variable that you're telling what to do. Basically, the function rule is basically telling the variable what to do. And just like the functions, we could have many different variables as well. But if you want to answer this question, I highly recommend using the variable that we know and love, which is x, solving the problem for that with x, and then just by comparison, picking the right answer choice. So let's get down to it. The first thing that they say is we need to divide by 4. But I might say, well, divide what? Divide why? Divide what by 4, right? They didn't say, they just said divide by 4. There's got to be something. Could be any number, right? All numbers possible. That's the variable. We want to divide the variable by 4. Did I spell that right? Variable by 4. And if you're having trouble with who goes on the top or who goes on the bottom, would it be 4 over x or x over 4? You could always go back to the wording. Literally in the wording it said divide by 4. So that means that I'm going to divide, 4 comes after. So if I write the division sign, the 4 must be on the bottom, right? Because usually it's the numerator divided by the denominator, which means that something had to be up here. And that something is the variable. So in this case, we know that we're going to have an x value divided by 4. So I know that I have to have an x over 4 or a variable over 4. Right off the bat, you can check off some answer choices that just don't match up. So for example, for this one, I have 8 divided by 4, not the variable divided by 4. So this is automatically out. The variable was just chilling over here. The next one has nothing to do with division. It's all multiplication and addition. So, bye. Now we're down over here. And we have the variable here, z, but the division sign is all the way over here, right? The 8, that's in the way. This one, I have the x divided by 4. So this one looks like a pretty good contender. Let's just make sure. Now afterwards, then, right after we do all that, then we're going to take whatever we have as an answer and add 4, literally plus 4. So I'm going to take my x divided by 4 and then add 4. So if that's the case, with this one, this can't possibly be it, because it's not z divided by 4, it's the 8 divided by 4, right? Can't have the 8 in the middle of the 2, so goodbye on that one. And now we know what the answer is. And there it is. It has that x over 4 plus 8, and that's literally what it is over here. And, just to say, you could have said for yours f of x, but in this case, it was p of x, so we got it done. And that's the answer. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for learning about function notation. If you want more practice and more fun, go to our website, glazersguide.com. We got tons of practice for your learning needs, and We all do it right along with you guys. You know us by now, right? So step-by-step instructional guides for you and learning at your own pace, having fun. What could be more better than that? I'll see you guys on over there. There's a link in the description if you want to click it of the video, or there's a link at the end of the video as well if you want to do that. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
For more practice and for more fun, go to glazersguide.com.
And for more practice and for more fun, come on, go to glazersguide.com.